Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Nighthawk app settings to a new Netgear router, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer Nighthawk app settings to a new Netgear router, first, ensure your new router is unboxed and ready for setup. Download and install the latest version of the Nighthawk app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the Nighthawk app on your mobile device. Sign in to your Netgear account using your registered email and password. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner of the app. Select Settings from the menu options. Tap on Backup Settings. Here, you will see an option to export your current router settings. Tap on Export Settings and wait for the backup to complete. Once your settings are backed up, disconnect from your old router. Connect your mobile device to the new Netgear router's Wi-Fi network. Return to the Nighthawk app. The app should prompt you to set up the new router. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the setup process. When prompted, choose the option to import settings from a backup. Locate the settings file you exported from your old router. Select the file and confirm the import process. Review the imported settings to ensure they are correct. Make any necessary adjustments before finalizing the setup. Once complete, tap on Finish to apply the settings to your new router. The app will now configure your new router with the transferred settings. Wait for the setup to finish, and then reconnect your devices to the new network. Your new Netgear router is now ready to use with your transferred Nighthawk app settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.